friends, we are making an owl with the color papers. Next, we want to take a square paper like this. Then, we want to take a branch of a tree. Apply gum. And paste it here. Then we want to take a circle like this. And paste it here. Next, we want to take two circles like this, and two black circles also we want to take, and paste it here. Next, we want to take
നടുക്കാണോ ആ കണ്ണുള്ള ശരിക്ക്? ഇതുപോലെ ആ പടം കാണിച്ചേ, അതിൻ്റെ പടം ഇടല്ലേ, ഒട്ടിക്കല്ല. എന്തോരം പശ എടുക്കുന്നത്.
and paste it here like this. Next, we want to take two circles and fold it in two. And open it and gum it. And paste it here like this. Next, we want to take some leaves and paste it here. Next, then we want to take next leaf and paste it here. Next, we want to take nose like this and fold it in two. And gum it. Paste it like this. Take two legs. And paste it here. Next leg we want to take. And paste it here. Next, we want to take a circle and paste it here. Next, we want to take 5 stars like this. Wow, what a beautiful picture. Thank you. Bye.